Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is August 19, 2023. Okay, so we know this week, okay, market rebound early in the week, rebound a little bit. Last week was very strong. Okay, this week rebound a little bit early in the week, but later, okay, on a Thursday, Friday, the market has weakened. Okay, so KLSE starting to drop. You can see all the sectors starting to turn red lah. So why this happened? Okay, one important thing was that China, all their recent economic report, are negative. Okay, negative means their growth, what all these experts expect, the big rebound after after they reopen, after the lockdown, all didn't happen. Okay, actually what they found was that the production, export, everything dropped, and they cannot sustain. Okay, all the factory, right, a lot of factory is getting less and less order, and also a lot of these Chinese youngster are losing job. Okay, so China has actually stopped reporting all the youngster, these are jobless report, okay, so they don't want people to panic, don't want people to panic. And their economic report also, PMI report, export report, production report, all below expectation. Okay, I'm not saying that they are doing very bad or they are going negative, but their growth is much more slower than expectation. That's why it will affect all the Asian, especially a lot of countries that do a lot of trade with China, Malaysia. Okay, one of the country, Malaysia, and also we see US slowing down. Okay, so first largest economy, second economy also slowing. US actually the economy is very strong. Okay, but the stock market is slowing down. Okay, stock market is starting to fall. So there is a lot of worry in the market so don't expect big market to be very strong. Okay, for now, but there is a possible of a short-term rebound because I just checked the US index. US indexes, most of them is at a support Okay, means they already reach a high, they already drop. Okay, of certain distance. Okay, certain range. Okay, now they are all near the support area. So therefore, the market might have a small rebound coming to next week. Okay, there's a possible but don't be too positive yet. Okay, because it doesn't look very positive. Okay, never mind. We have to check out the big one is Bitcoin. Okay, so we want to see which level of Bitcoin, what pattern they make, and what is the potential, how far it can drop, how cheap we can get the Bitcoin. Okay, potential I'm not saying guarantee a potential. That's why I said, okay, leave some bullet out for possible black swan event or a big drop. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out the global market. Let's check out Malaysia first. Okay, before global, we see Malaysia first. Okay, KLCI. We are looking at the weekly chart. Okay, the weekly chart because want to see, want to have an idea what is going on for a few weeks. Okay, we look at the daily chart. We are looking at a few days. Okay, data, 1 week of data. 1 week of movement. Okay, 1 week of movement. Potential movement. Okay, and if we look at the weekly, okay, we can see at least a few weeks of potential how the market will develop. Okay, so let's look at the weekly. Okay, so weekly now we can see it's sideways only. Okay, it's sideways. It's not going anywhere. It unable to break through 1641. Okay, and there is support at 1436. Okay, so 1461 3 weeks in a row. Okay, it tried to break through but cannot. Okay, 1 week, 2 weeks, third week. Okay, so unlikely it can break through after 3 weeks. So now okay, the bear actually won is pushing it down. Okay, so there is a possibility that it might come back to test to 1436. Okay, so until it break through, okay, until it break through 1461, okay, this is not a bullish market yet. Okay, now it's a sideways market. Okay, already the bullish market already happened. Okay, so now it's resting, right? I said market don't go up straight, right? It will go up, rest a while, go up, rest a while, okay, and sometime after rest it will drop. Okay, so now it's resting. So we want to, after the rest, we want to see which way it goes, above or below. Okay, now we are calling it neutral, neutral, not very strong, not very slow. But in the short term, it's a little bit weaker. Okay, it's a little bit weaker. Okay, look at the daily. We got somewhat of it's trying to make a double top, but we cannot call it a double top yet unless, okay, it break through the neckline. Okay, if you break through the neckline, it should come back to 1400 to 1414 area. Okay, but it haven't. Okay, so if 1436 can support, it might go just sideways. Okay, we can't see it head and shoulder double top, but a potential this might happen. Just take note. So it got rejected 2 times. Okay, it rejected 2 times at 14661 or 1460 it rejected 2 times. Okay, so now it's getting more and more difficult to go through. Okay, so look at the weekly. Okay, weekly is strong. Mid cap is strong. Okay, mid cap is the one that pushing the market up. Okay, mid cap already broken through the support. Okay, now it's standing quite firm above the support. Okay, resistance. So already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days above the resistance. This one looks like already broken through. Looks quite okay. So if market want to rebound, it's a mid cap that is possible that going to push the market up. We know the small cap. Okay, we saw a bearish engulfing on the daily, and we have a pin bar. Okay, we got a pin bar. Okay, a pin bar. Okay, which is a negative. Okay, it's a negative signal. Okay, and the daily we got a bearish engulfing. Okay, so looks like the small cap very likely want to continue to come down. Okay, look at the sector. Construction still very strong. Okay, construction broken out, making higher high. Okay, making higher high. RSI still making higher high. So this one potential small drop. Okay, after a drop, it should have chance. It should have the momentum to continue up. After a drop, now it's having a correction. Okay, so after drop, consumer. Okay, consumer potential year-end rebound. Okay, potential year-end rebound coming. Just watch this one. We got some divergence already so fast. Okay, so it's not very strong yet. Okay, but potential is heading for the year-end rebound. Okay. Okay, energy, we know that energy got stuck here at the top channel, near the top channel, not going up, and the oil price dropping some more. Okay, finance is still strong. Okay, finance broken through. Okay, broken through support. Potential a drop. After the drop, I think it still got chance to continue up. Okay, healthcare is struggling at the support. Okay, at the channel. Okay, as long as it haven't dropped below 1685, it's still okay. If it dropped below 1685, not good. But if you look at RSI is not good. RSI got rejected at 50. Okay, RSI got rejected at 50. So this one, healthcare have to be very careful already. Okay, industry looks okay. Okay, it is at this area 168. It's still holding at this area. Okay, so it's not bad, it's not good, but it's testing the resistance. Looking at the chart, I think potential it still can go. Potential still can. We have to wait a bit. It's struggling here. It's just consolidating at this area. There's no pattern coming up from here yet, so we don't know which way it want to go. Likely which way want to go. Plantation we know already dropped. Okay, because these are palm oil futures starting to drop. Property we know very strong. Okay, property a break above here. Okay, property a break above here, a small minor consolidation push up. Okay, very likely it still can go higher some more, but because of the divergence, okay, we got divergence over here, RSI divergence. Okay, so there might be a retracement before it goes up again. Okay, the divergence. So there might be a drop first to 777 area. Okay, this area 780 area possible to continue up. Read, we know it's very weak, continue drop. Technology, okay, very important now is 63. So looks like RSI drop below 50. Okay, so this one after drop below 63 cannot go back up above 63 means finish already. The technology is going to drop. Okay, this now they are trying to hold this area 63 lah. See whether it's successful or not. Okay, telco we know already broken down below this channel, so it's not very good. Transportation, okay, transportation there is a chance because it's broken out from this triangle, so it might come back and retest this breakout area, this area. Okay, it might come back to retest 917. If it can hold above 917, it still got chance to go. Still got chance to go up. Okay, we saw that CDB actually make a quite good progress on their this P&L. Okay, quarterly report. Utility is the strongest. Keep on not the strongest but has been performing very strong for the quite some time. Okay, quite some time since March. Okay, so it has been very strong. Okay, so it's still on the uptrend. We got some divergence. I think this one also almost near a retracement already. Because we got divergence. Okay. Okay, so the strong one, finance still got chance to go. Finance, production possible still got chance. Okay, all these I think they will have a retracement first before it goes up. Property and construction. Okay, I think they will drop first before it goes up again. So we are heading to a short-term drop. Okay, so this the important technology is testing the 63. Okay. So let's see what happens. Okay, if we continue to drop below 63, finish already. Okay, it'll be very, very difficult. Okay, look at the global index. Look at US dollar, DXY. Okay, DXY is very strong. Okay, for the July 23 almost, it just go up and up and up, and now it hit a resistance 103. See whether this one it can go through 103 or not. This is very important. Okay. If it goes through 103 means already broken out of this channel, downtrend channel means it got long term, it still got momentum, it still want to go. If it cannot, if it drop, then could be a short term retracement, then the stock market could have a chance to rebound. Okay, we want to see whether this one can break out. Okay, for now the short term is very strong, but for long term we still don't know because it's still now it is testing the resistance here, the channel top. Okay. Once it break through the channel top, then only we can say it's very positive. Okay, now short term, we have to wait and see. Okay, Australia. Okay, you see Australia. Okay, ASX. Okay, drop. Continue to drop. Okay, from 73, 78 coming back. So you see it's a support . Okay, that's why potential next week there are some rebound in the market, in the global market. Okay, there could be a possible short term rebound in the global market. Okay, but how strong is it? Unlikely to be very strong. First, US doesn't look very well, and China also not looking very well. US, the market not looking very well. Okay, and it's fearful . Okay, but economy is still okay. Economy wise, it's still okay. Okay, FTSE continue drop until the bottom channel. That's why all this in bottom channel. There might be a rebound next week. Okay, Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng, as I said, we are looking for a head and shoulder to happen. If it breaks through 20,296, there is a potential developing a reversal head and shoulder. So the market could reverse the China market and Hong Kong market, but no. Okay, it got rejected. It's coming down again. DAX. Okay, DAX also. Okay, DAX also, as I said. Okay, it broken below this 15,708. So it's looking bearish. Okay, looking coming down. You see the red color momentum also no more. Semiconductor index also dropping to the bottom channel. So that's why I said there's a potential small rebound in the bottom channel. Okay, for next week. Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq already broken below the support. Okay, below the channel. Okay, so this one is getting worse. This is even worse. Okay, maybe a short-term rebound, yes, but long term it's looking weaker and weaker. S&P. Okay, S&P looks like it's coming back to the bottom channel. 4186. Okay, and you see all these the red color momentum almost gone, left a little bit. Okay, Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones also. Okay, Dow Jones also coming to test the support 3447. That's why the potential there's a small rebound because it reached the support area. Okay. Look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is the biggest losers in the market for the last week. So what happened to Bitcoin was that broken through, okay, the flat pattern, retest. Now the most important thing is that it broke below this one, the channel. So the channel already failed. Channel already failed. Okay, channel already failed. Already broken through. Okay, so there's a potential how far it can drop. Okay, let's take a guess. Okay, so we see we have a slanting head and shoulder, right? We have a slanting head and shoulder. Okay, so from the so this is the distance from the middle to the shoulder. Okay, so the breakout. Okay, it's the break here. So there's potential Bitcoin could drop to this area 20,000. Okay, 20,000 or even potential even lower. Okay, so now we want to watch the next two support area is 16,397 and 20,223. Okay, there's a potential. Okay, that it might, because of the head and shoulder pattern, a slanting head and shoulder, right? We got head and shoulder. Okay, so the target should be around 16 to 20,000. Okay, so looks like likely. Okay, possible it drop today. Look at the Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum similar. We got another head and shoulder. Okay, so we got a drop. Okay, the rebound tak jadi. Okay, so head and shoulder. Let's do a measurement here. Okay, this low potential we are coming back to this low. Okay, which is 1,191. Okay, so it's coming back to potential, coming back to this area. That's why I said, okay, leave some bullet. Okay, leave don't tie your hand when you buy. Just buy one spot at a high place. Okay, because a lot of time, right, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these they are very volatile. Before they have a big rebound, before they go for the high, right, means before they go for a massive push, okay, it will always happen a big drop first one, because market want to flush out when all these big whale, okay, in stock market we call institution, we call this fund manager, whatever so in crypto world they call it the whale, crypto whale. So when all these whale want to push it up, they want to flush out all the retail, they might engineer a big drop. Then after the big drop, you see it go on its way for the next bull cycle, next bull cycle. Okay, so Litecoin, okay, Litecoin also broken through. Okay, looks like it's coming down. Okay, to 42. Okay, SRP. Okay, SRP also coming down back to earth. Okay, after the case, a big push up, now it's coming back down. Likely coming back down to test this 30 cent. Okay. Okay, look at aluminium. Look at commodity. Aluminium, I told you we got head and shoulder already broken below, so doesn't look good. Okay, looks like going to coming down again. For steel, okay, we know steel is going down okay, it's on its way down. Steel home also, steel price also, China steel price also not big rebound. In industry metal also in China also, okay, not doing well not doing well. Okay, not doing well. So unlikely we'll have any big rebound from this. Okay, looking at CPO. Palm oil is still on this downtrend, slowly downtrend slope okay, it's not strong. It's not strong and it's not too weak also but it's not strong Okay, copper. Okay, copper, we know that it unable to break through this channel okay, try to went up and came back down okay, so unlikely we have a strong push on the copper, and other side we drop below 50 okay. Look at gold. Okay, gold, I said gold is coming slowly coming back down okay. So gold also, right, if you look at here, we also have a double top okay, double top already distant, already reached already. Now you want to see properly, we have a head and shoulder okay. Okay, the head and shoulder. So there is a chance that we can get cheap gold okay. Okay, 1,007 potential okay. So looks like market is quite bad in the short term okay. This is the same, yeah, it's the same. You measure it slanting, you measure it straight up also, it's almost the same okay. Looks like we are coming back to this 1,007 potential I'm not saying it guarantee you go there so there is a potential it might come back to this area okay. So do watch this let's clean up the chart a bit okay. Let's clean the chart. So it broken through this 1898 okay. So in 1,009 area it broken through this 1,009 area okay. So likely the next support level will be at here okay, 1,008, and if it drop below 1,008 we are looking at 1,007 okay. So if it drop to 1,007 will be a good buy will be a good buy okay. 1,007 go 1,007 or even lower 1,006 1,006,500 1,006 and 52 okay. So these are the level with potential will be good buy for gold okay. Look at silver okay. Silver we also kind of have a head and shoulder here okay. Okay, the neckline here okay. So what happened is it broken through okay. We could be looking at this low here okay. We could be having the potential $18 silver okay. If we get $18 silver, if we get 16,000 Bitcoin okay, these are the good time okay to invest it's not boring okay. It's invest okay. Invest okay in the okay. Potential 1,007 gold, $18 silver okay, and we might have a chance to get 20,000, 16 to 20,000 Bitcoin, or 1,001 to 1,002 Ethereum so these are the, if you want to long term, you want to invest okay, take some risk Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum is high risk okay. Gold is safe gold and silver is safe okay. If you want to save you look at gold and silver okay. If we got 1,007 gold, definitely is a super buy super buy okay. Or if we get $18 silver, also is a super buy okay. And oil okay, as I said oil stuck here 82 unlikely they want to let it go higher unlikely they can go higher okay. So with the strengthen of USD okay, unlikely this gold, silver, all these and oil can continue to go up okay. So possible This is not KO yet. RSI still above 50. Okay, maybe it still can go lah. But unlikely. But maybe still can. We have to wait and see. This is crude oil. Okay, but it's first time we really got rejected here already lah. Okay, look at US stock before that. You want to just take note. Okay, before that, please don't forget okay, to subscribe to the channel. Okay, if you're first time watching the channel, every day got video. Don't miss the video. Okay, Monday to Friday we talk about local stock. Saturday we talk about global, and Sunday we review all the chart that we draw. Okay, whatever that we discuss, we review one time. Okay, to see whether we make the right analysis or not. If we make the wrong analysis, we want to learn from what we did wrong. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the like. Okay, very important. Share this with your friend and leave your comment. And if you want to open an account, you don't have any trading account, you want to change new reminder, you want to change new account, okay, you can try CGS-CIMB. Okay, one of the top platform in Malaysia. This one you can activate global. Okay, once you register, you can activate global, means you can play Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, US also no problem. Okay, and if you want to open an account, the link is at the bottom here only. Okay, means this video description, you press more, you see CGS-CIMB, you press the form, you come out, you just fill in your detail a bit, then my friend, this reminder from CGS-CIMB will call you up and open an account online. So you don't need to go anywhere, you just do it at home. Okay, so very simple. Okay, and this is a legal platform. You have to know. Okay, it's approved by SC. Oh, look at Apple. Okay, Apple is flying down lah. As I said lah. Okay, stock market goes up through the staircase and come down through the window. Okay, come down through the window. Okay, so see, suddenly no more yet red color, all gone. All the bankers cheap. No, all the bankers momentum lah. Sorry, all gone. Okay, so this one, as I said 167. Okay, you see it's coming very near to 167 already. After 167, there are some support because there is a channel here. Okay, there's a channel support here. It might have a small rebound. AMD. Okay, AMD you see also coming down. Also head and shoulder. Okay, head and shoulder. Okay, so it's coming down to earth lah. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, potential 76. Broadcom. Okay, Broadcom after break through the pattern. Okay, it's coming down. Potential coming back to this area. Okay, 653. Okay, Amazon is still strong, but you see starting to close the gap already. Close the gap. Okay, so you can see RSI also making lower. So I do think this one is also time to come down to retrace. It's time to retrace already. Okay, Alibaba. Okay, Alibaba. Oh, after a rebound, it did not reach the target. Okay, so it near the target, already lost momentum. Actually, target shouldn't be there. Yeah. Okay. So it didn't reach. A bit short, then starting to drop. This one also doesn't look good. Okay, as I said, US does not look good. I mean the goring or I think the momentum already finished. Somewhere you can see it. You can see from the Bitcoin all this. Okay, Bitcoin all this starting to drop already. Okay, this one Google also I think it's making divergence. I think it will start to correct also. It will start to come down. Okay. 122 and 115. Okay, potential coming back. Okay, Grab is still coming back down. Grab always between 220 and 4 ringgit. So it reached the 4 ringgit, so it's $4, so it's coming down. Intel. Okay, Intel is coming down, but Intel, I said long term, you want to play Intel is long term and possible at the bottom. Okay, you just need to hold it for long term. It also having a drop. Okay, and Facebook finally coming back to earth already. Coming back to earth, is falling very fast. Okay, it looks like coming back to 228 area. Okay, 228, potential even lower. But look at 228 first. Okay, so the uptrend already broken already. Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft also coming very fast. We got divergence here. Okay, the red color momentum also almost no more finish. Okay, we got divergence. So also all coming back to ground lah. After flying to the moon, all coming back to the ground. Okay, this one coming back 291 potential. Micron is a channel. Okay, now it's a bottom channel. Potential by bottom channel, sell top channel. Okay, but now it's a re-drop to bottom channel. Okay, Nvidia head and shoulder. Okay, but not yet broken. Okay, not yet broken. So this one we have to wait. Okay, maybe this one is falling, but we can't say it's very weak because it haven't made a big low here. The big support area is here. Big support area. Okay, if we drop below here, then will be very bad. Okay, for now it's not too bad yet. 405. Okay, if we drop below 405, we bad because we have a head and shoulder. Okay, but you can see lah. You can see all the way divergence. You see divergence, right? Okay, since here, okay, since May 31st okay, it keep on going higher, but other side keep on going lower. Okay, so since then it was starting to it's starting to make a peak. Okay, Tesla also, we know Tesla is coming down. How come? Wow, what this Elon Musk did, this guy is just fantastic lah. Crazy lah. What happened to the chart? Suddenly he pop up. Okay, so the fight between Elon Musk and Zuckerberg is on. Okay, looks like it's on. Okay. So 209, okay, it's already come to support lah. Maybe there's some rebound lah. Okay, Zoom. Okay, Zoom is just at the bottom. You have to hold it long term before any rebound. Okay, Visa, US market. Visa maybe make a lower high. Maybe you'll have a short term drop. US bank, a lot of bank got this downgrade, their credit rating downgrade. Okay, the small bank now there's potential. This big bank also will get their credit rating drop. So don't expect the drop bank to rebound. Okay, so you see Citibank already coming down, Morgan Stanley, okay, coming down, and Goldman Sachs all coming down okay, JP Morgan also coming down. JP Morgan also potential will get their credit rating drop. Okay, so that's what happening and all these are bad news. So US nothing doesn't look good. Maybe short term rebound, yes, a short term rebound because already drop very low. There's some bargain hunting. There's some short-term buy. But any bad news coming, continue bad news coming out from US, from China, all these investors will be scared and drop will be very fast. You know why, right? Because you see all the rebound already happened. Okay, now okay, all this already went up. You see all the big fish they make their money here. Okay, from this double bottom rebound here to here, I said yes. Okay, we are the bankers, all the big one. Now this one is the last minute. All those fund managers that scared of US recession don't dare to jump in. Okay, and they got whacked by their all got wrecked by this all their investor, all this okay. So they have no choice. They have to jump in and buy some Nvidia, buy some technology stock and show the portfolio to the investors. Say, oh, you see, we still make some money. We still make money from this AI boom Okay, AI boom Okay, and or else they all will be all scolded. All will be how to call it will be punished okay, by this by their investor So this is the last minute push by all this last minute a fund manager trying to push it higher, okay, to make their profile look nice. So when something when suddenly this China, all these report come out no good, everyone scared. You see when it fall like crazy just like I show you you see Apple, you see Apple, right? Last minute all this retail, retail investors, smaller fund manager, all this okay, when they hear some bad news they spook and boom okay, it dropped drop like crazy okay. So and this Michael Burry, right, the guy who always predict bear market now he short the market okay, he is shorting the market for billion 1 point something billion So the guy is crazy one. Okay, so when people hear, of course, people all even get more negative lah. Even more negative lah. But Michael Burry has been wrong more time, I think lah. I think more time than he's right lah. But for him, he score one time right, enough already. Can last for maybe 10 years when the money. Okay, so okay, so that's it. It's from Saturday. So condolence to the family of the airplane that actually crash the crash at the Guthrie Highway, right? So very rarely this thing happen in Malaysia. Malaysia aviation has been doing quite well so Malaysia, except the MH370 we can't say anything because that one once in the century happened thing, and of course the other plane was shut down so we can't say anything so far aviation was so good, but this one we don't know what happened. I saw the video, right? The plane actually nosedive, came down nosedive. It's no chance. It's not attempting to land. Maybe attempting to land, but when I saw the video, right, when it reached the ground, it's like nose down. So it's unlikely any surviving or any chance to survive. Some of the plane exploded. So condolence. Okay. So I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.